There will never be another you. Ancient Dark Clay, y'all.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ancient Dark Clay, and if you're new here, welcome, and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button for new notifications on my new videos that come out every week. So right now, what am I doing? Okay, so I'm working on a 1 week old twist out right now. I had it up, as you can see, it's frizzy, and I'm gonna take it down because my friend just graduated, so we're gonna go out to eat and have a celebration for her. So what I just did was I just oiled my hair with some virgin olive oil as well as some tea tree oil just to get it a nice shine and for me to be able to take down my twist more easily. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just separating them all, starting from the back. You can start from the front or the back, either way that you feel comfortable. And I will usually start from my tip, but I am running late, guys. So as you can see, I am starting from the middle to the top, whatever. But it would be best that you start from your tip so that you wouldn't have a lot of frizz going on. So I'm taking my time doing that and making sure that I'm kind of like retwisting, well, not retwisting, but untwisting the twist and not just, running my hands through it and stuff like that. And as I'm untwisting them, I'm separating it a little bit. So, yeah. And now I'm finna to go into fluffing out my hair. So I just skipped to that part, and as you can see, I'm taking my wide tooth comb, going in my roots, making sure I pull them bad boys up so I can get, some volume, so I can, swing my hair and get some volume for my curls and everything else, which is great. Because that's what the look I'm going for. And since I had these twists in for about a week, these can seem a little flat sometimes. So I'm just making sure that I'm getting my back, separating those, my front, my sides, and everything else equally. And I'm shaping my twist as I'm doing so. So I'm shaping my twist out, making sure it's falling in the right place for me. And as y'all can see that I fast forwarded this part so it wouldn't be so tedious, but yeah. You see that? No, we can't have cricket parts. But I'm just going to take my comb and separate it so my part can be straight. I love a side part, but you can do a middle part, side part, whatever fits you. I'm going to take my Eco Styler Gel in Argan and making sure I hit my edges so it can be slayed, guys. Because that's what I need. I love slay edges. Sometimes I go for the natural look, but tonight I'm going for a more sleek. So making sure it's no real way that I'm doing this, just making sure that I'm getting my edges and I have enough product for those. Can someone tell me why I look so serious putting this gel on my edges? Like, do anyone else look serious when they fixing the edges? Like, it's too much for me. So right now I'm gonna take a toothbrush and slick my edges down, and I'm just gonna do a simple swoop today and making sure that I'm swooping it behind my ear as well. Sometimes I leave out a little hair on my ear part and curl that part, but I'm just going for the simple look and swooping those. And as you can see, I'm getting underneath my hair because if you're like me, I lift up my hair a lot. So I don't want to lift up my hair and have all those kinks and stuff like that. You can see I thought I was funny too. So yeah, and I'm making sure that's laid too. Slicking that under my ear and fluffing that a little bit more. Oh, girl, you fierce. I see you. But yes, and I make sure I get my middle too, because sometimes I turn around and my middle be so flat. Okay, so I'm making sure that's laid down and both parts are looking right for me. And yes. So guys, thanks for watching my channel and hope to see you guys soon on another video. Bye.